Using safety rails. So when you use the safety bar for your back squats, you want to make sure that the height that you set them to isn't going to interfere with your squat. So you want them just below your bar when you're squatting. So again, you don't want to be tapping or hitting the railing when you're squatting. So I have my safety rails set. I'm going to check before I start to make sure that they're not in my way. I'm going to get all the way set up in my squat position, unrack like I'm, doing a regular back squat. Position myself, come down. I'm touching the safety squat rails in my squat, which means I need to lower it. So I'm going to lower it a hole. And depending on your safety railing will depend on how you move these around. So different companies have different rails. My rig is Rogue, and these safety rails are Rogue as well. So make sure that your rails that you buy are compatible with your rig. Okay, now that my safety rails are set, I am going to show you how to ditch the bar. So if I'm squatting, I'm in position, I come out. If I get caught in the bottom of my squat and I come up and I can't get up and I want to fail it, I'm going to come down on the bar, bringing my body forward and the bar backwards. What I mean, why I'm specifying that, I do not want to go forward with the bar. Okay, you do not want to put the bar over your head. You want the bar to go backwards. You want the bar to go this way and your body to go that way. Okay, so when we ditch, we want it to go backwards. Okay, so I could be more dramatic and throw it further off my back and go a little further forward. So I'm going to show you a version of that. Again, if you're ever squatting big weight and you get yourself into trouble, you're going to want to ditch a little more dramatically. So it's going to look like this. If I come out and I'm squatting and I fail, I'm going to really get out of there. I'm going to really go forward and throw that bar backwards. Okay. Again, the position you really want to avoid is that bar going over your head. So an example of that would be this. If you're coming down and you want to ditch this way, okay, do not ditch this way. Do not ditch forward, okay? It's a dangerous position to be in.